Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn a new topic in classes. We are going to create two methods and we don't need to create a new file for calling the class. So let's start. So first we have to create a class person. So it's going to give the details about person and all, colon, and then it will be better if we keep P as capital. And then now we have to define def space double underscore init double underscore brackets comma name comma age and comma date of birth. So now let's go to the next line. So now tab self dot name is equals to name, and then self dot age is equals to age, and then now we're going to write self dot dob dob is equals to dob, and then now it's over. Now we're going to define the second method, def my name is def my name. So my name and then bracket self. So it has to print hello, my name is, and then now it's going to give plus self dot name. So it will be like when we give the name like Venkat, so it will print it like hello, my name is Venkat, and now it's done. Let's go and try this. Yeah, it has to be at the starting. No. So before we used to create a new file and write from test.py import person, the class name and all, but now we don't need to do that. It's a new way, so you can just do it in the same file. Just you have to create those p1 person 1 person 2 and all. P1 we have to create the objects. P1 is equals to person. So now we have to enter the name. So we'll give it as Venkat, and then comma age we'll give it as 12, and then so you can see it's showing a red underline, which means the class and this is different. So you can see the class name, it starts with the capital letters and it's not a capital letter here. So yeah, now it's a capital. So now we have to call the second method my name. So p1 dot my name and brackets. So now we can run it, but here we just give two attributes. Here we give three attributes: name, age and dob. So Venkat and age, we just gave name and age, and we forgot to give the date of birth. So if we don't give the third attribute or the other attributes, or we don't give this dob, it will come as an error. So now we'll give the date of birth as 2008 slash 9th slash so 21st slash 9th slash 2008. And so now let's run this. So you can see it's printing, hello, my name is Venkat. So thank you guys, see you on the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe.